Wonderful Worli art.
You can keep open your textbook, page number 42, and you have to repeat after me. India has many states. S-T-A-T-E, state. India has many states. These states have group of people living together and sharing the same beliefs. B-E-L-I-E-F-S, beliefs. B-E-L-I-E-F-S, beliefs and way of life. These groups are called tribes. T-R-I-B-E-S, tribes. T-R-I-B-E-S, tribes. Every tribe has its own style of drawing and painting. Worli art, W-A-R-L-I, Worli, A-R-T, art. Worli art is one such popular style. P-O-P-U-L-A-R, popular. Okay, Worli art is one such popular art. Children, as we know, India has many states like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh, etc. And these states have group of people living together and sharing the same belief and way of life. Okay? And these groups are called tribes. You can see on your screen the tribes of India. Okay? They have same belief. Okay? Some of them believe that viewing good image is good luck. So they decorate their homes when there is any occasion or any festival. Okay, and they decorate their homes by their own style of drawing and painting. And usually they use the natural color to decorate their homes. And each tribe have their own style of drawing and painting. One of the tribal art is Worli art, and it is very popular art. Here you can see some Worli art painting. What is the meaning of tribes? Tribe means a group of people who share the same customs, religion and language. They have same customs. Customs means tradition, the common way of following rules. Okay, they have same rules in their group. Then they follow the same religion and they have same language in their group. So they are called tribes. Again, a group of people who share the same customs, religion and languages. Then what is the meaning of popular? Popular means liked by many people. Worli art is very popular, means it's liked by many people. Now let's see the next paragraph. Where is Worli art from? Worli art is from state of Maharashtra. M-A-H-A-R-A-S-H-T-R-A, Maharashtra. Worli art is from the state of Maharashtra. The Worli tribe of Maharashtra creates beautiful paintings. They are called Worli paintings. Create, C-R-E-A-T-S, creates means make. Okay, the Worli tribe of Maharashtra create or make the beautiful paintings and they are called Worli painting. Children, what do we learn today? We learn about the tribes of India. Tribes are the group of people who live together and work together, and they have same customs, religion and language. Okay, they follow the same religion and they have the same language and they have their own style of painting and drawing. They have certain characteristics and quality that makes unique culture. And then we learn where is Varli art from. So Varli art is from state of Maharashtra and the Varli tribes of Maharashtra create the beautiful painting. It is called Varli painting. Now let's we solve the exercise.
So children, let's we start exercise of this chapter. Okay? The first question is fill in the blanks with right word to complete the sentences. Okay? Here two words are given. From that you have to find out the correct answer and write in the blanks. Okay? So let's we start. First number write capital and December is a proper noun. So we will write D capital. First letter capital. My birthday is in December. December, first letter capital. And at the end of the sentence we will write full stop. Okay, children? So children, today in this chapter, in this video we learn about the tribal people, and we learn about the where is Worli art from.